Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do my weekly. I know the week has already started. I have filmed this video 3 times. One this morning, one a couple of minutes ago, lost all the footage, and then I was just interrupted again. So we're gonna try this one last time. So y'all gonna get the short version. No, I'm sorry. We're not gonna do that. All right, so this is my weekly. I am ready to switch up the template, so I think the next week I'll be using something else, but until then we're going to go with this one for this week. This is the one that comes with the planner. One of the things that I wanted to do was go over to ChatGPT and create me an image. So I already created the image because I've filmed this video like 3 or 4 times, but they have an image generator pro. So I don't know if y'all know about this, but Canva has some other features. Not Canva, gosh. ChatGPT has some other features. And if I say Canva and I say ChatGPT, girl, just merge them together. Y'all already know. So I asked it to create me an image. And so I wanted one that, since I was back at school, that said teacher. You can just screenshot that and you can change the outfit, the words, the hair, the jewelry to whatever you want. All right. And so we just want an ultra realistic digital airbrush illustration. That's a tongue twister. A ultra realistic digital airbrush illustration. All right, and you can change the African American to whatever ethnicity that you want. Change the hairstyle, all of that. And so if you come down, you can see once I type that in, they kind of give you some prompts. So we want to work on sweatshirt style. So I just said explore. So if you just type in a 1, hit this, it'll actually go through and give you another image. Okay. That's not actually exactly what I want, but that's a cute little image. I don't think her t-shirt say nothing I asked it to say. But new patterns, new designs, maybe it just gave me, another image. But that's fine. But I've already picked out that I'm going to be using this one and this one. So after I got the exact image that I was looking for, I just went over to Canva and I download them. And all you do is go over to your uploads and then go to your pictures and you can download the files. Then when you bring them over, her hair was fine, so I just removed the background. And then the other one, I had to extend the hair because her hair was cut off. Her head was cut off. So if you look here, you just go to edit. If you're new here, magic expand. Now this may take a few times. That's why creating images in AI takes a little bit, if anybody says that. Is because you may not get what you want the first time, second time, or the third time. Sometimes you gotta just ditch the girl and go with somebody else because the hair just won't hair. It's not hairing. I'm just joking with y'all. See how that's too big? Some people might be okay with it. That's okay. And then once you get it, just say you wanted that one. You have to hit done once it finishes. You can check out all of them to see which one. That one don't look too bad. Hit done, and especially if it's personal use, background remover. And so you can see the difference between the two. And then once you have whichever one, I'm using this one. But if I wanted to keep her, I could just do another page because, who knows? Some days you want your hair bigger than others. You got to hit done. So, and then you bring her down. And then once you finish, you want to share and you want to make sure you save as. And when you save as, make sure you pick the correct page that you want to download. And then you want to hit transparent background. If you notice there's a difference in the lighting, my lights are on a sensor at school. Girl, I'm not going to check. I'm not going to keep doing that. So once you've done all of that, you can come over to the weekly and you can upload them into your planner. With that being said, the first thing I want to look at is my elements. And when you have stickers that you send to the elements together, you have to lasso them to separate. I want the important, and then I want to delete all of these. We're going to kind of set that in the middle. Now, one of the things that I want to show you in Canva, this is not the video that I'm going to be really teaching you all the things that I've learned. But if you go to elements and you do a key search of like new brush stroke or something, new brush, there you go. Girl, you get all these elements we've been paying for. Don't tell nobody I told y'all. All of these little elements that you've been paying for free. So all of these splashes that I like to put behind, you can download them as a PNG image. So we want to position back. Look at that. Look at that. Now, if you wanted to sell this, or you wanted to put it in your planner, you need to create a separate page, and you need to put them on separate pages. Are y'all getting this? So whatever you want, just make sure it's on a different page. So when you export it as a transparent background, then therefore you don't you can't do it together, or they'll be together when you send it. Does that make sense? But look at these. All of these are for your working. New brush strokes. Okay. Now, one of the things that I went and found for my image for the day, I kind of like that one, but we're not gonna get greedy here. I typed in brick background. Look at that. All this stuff we've been paying for. Look at it. I've seen that on somebody's spread before. I've used this one before. And again, if you wanted to use these, sell these, whatever, you can play with the transparency. You can change the colors or the lines. Each one of these is a different, look at there. Look how you can make it your own. I just wanted to share new brush stroke and brick background, and then play around with it. That's your tip for today. All right, so now I want to look at the brick background that I chose for today. And I kind of like this one. So we're going to crop. Guys, guess what's happening? Let me make sure. Every time I send a transparent background, GoodNotes is changing it. I don't know what's wrong with them. Watch. I made all of these transparent, and sometimes when they come over, they're not transparent. All right, so we're gonna set that here. I don't know if I want it off the page, or do I want it centered with this one. I think I want it centered with that one. I don't know what I want. All right, so now I'm gonna use this girl. That's not transparent. See, I'm not understanding. I don't feel like going through all of this every time I do something. They were just transparent because I just did this video, and it's like they revert back to not being transparent. It makes no sense to me. So this is the one I want. That's page 3. So we want to share, save as. I don't know what's going on. I really don't. Page 3. All right, transparent background, save image. I might have to put them in a PDF or something so that I don't lose them. All right, so now we got her. Isn't she cute? We want to crop all the excess off of her. I don't know how I want to position her, but I keep playing with it until I get it the way that I want it. Now, what I want to put in this box is the things that I want to remember to do. So one, we want to film, edit, and post every day, at least 5 days a week. I write this everywhere because it reminds me. Like if I go in here and I know I haven't filmed a video, it bothers me. And that's for YouTube. I need to post IG. Let's put daily IG post. And then I need to post reels 3 times per week. Okay? So anything else that I want to remember, I know we should be posting reels every day, but I can't do it. All right, so I got all of that set up. So then we got to look at the things I need to get done this week. So I'm going to be tutoring 4 to 6. I don't really think I need to do the work week. We got boys basketball, and it's home. We got girls basketball, and it's away. And then we're going to alternate. So we got tutoring again. Can we just duplicate? All right, so then the only thing I want to change is boys don't have a game tomorrow. The girls do. And then we'll alternate. I think boys have a game, but girls don't. Now, I don't know if it's home or away at this point. All right. And then I think wrestling, and I think that's away. So for 13, we got wrestling practice, basketball, that tells you where we're going. Then the next day it says wrestling practice, but girls have a game at Huguenot, so that's home. So this one is home. And then wrestling is away. And boys basketball is away. I don't feel like I need to get my my card to get into the games for free. I need to talk to my AD, which is the athletic director. All right, Thursday, practice, wrestling practice. Girls have a game. So we're going to just pace. I like to notice, even if I don't go to all the games, because I need to know what's going on. And then the girls are playing away. And then Friday, my little girl said she couldn't do my hair Friday because they had a basketball game. And that is, I'm going to just delete that for right now. It's home. So we're going to copy. I already had copied that. I feel like I'm in the camera. Y'all bear with me today because I done did this so many times. You know how it's like a tedious task after you done did it so many times? Okay. The boys is home. I don't tutor on Fridays. Dinner out. I don't know what the... Oh, we're going to put a happy hour. I haven't done that in a while. I'm taking out the extra space so I can plop it down here in this corner. And there we go. Now, of course, we're going to add to this as we go through it so we don't have to add too much. And literally, I could put a quote behind her head. So let's look at, I did set up my elements. I am loving my elements. So in here, I got links. So anything that I create a link and I want to save it, it goes here. These are backgrounds that you can use and so I might use over and over again. So I put them here. These are keywords. And the good thing about digital stickers is that if you don't like it, you can go back and take that off and do something else. Like tomorrow, I might not want to know who's that girl. Tomorrow, I might want to know the plan. I like that. I like that better. What y'all think? Okay. And then if you wanted to add anything else, you could. If you wanted to add some more color, you could. It's all up to you. So that's where we're at for right now. I didn't do a daily, but I am going to start doing my dailies tomorrow. This is really supposed to go out on Sunday, and then I would do my dailies on Monday through Thursday. So we'll see how the plan goes. But of course, when you're out of town for the weekend, it just throws every thing off. I did want to show you that I am using my sections. So one of the things that I did in my sections is that I created a teacher playbook. I'm going to use monthly calendars in here. And so I've already put the calendar, and what I want to do is I switched that girl out because you can see it's the same calendar. I just took off my personal stuff, same calendar that's in the planner. And I might take all of this off because I might need to write some notes, right? And so this will be a great place because it's just inside of one of my sections. Probably will be deleted at the end of the year. So anyway, until I need it, we're just going to crop her. And we're just going to put her in here. Guys, it's the end of school. Isn't she cute? Oh my God, she's so cute. But we can switch up the images and you can redo it, resize. What if I needed to use that space? Just resize her. But right now, she's going to be a little bigger because we don't need that space right now. And so I like it. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I filmed this video multiple times. We got our week done, and we'll be adding to it. I hope you all are keeping up with your stuff this week and getting focused. I know y'all probably been back at work, but I'm just getting back to work. We're going to see how it goes. So until tomorrow, happy planning.